Today, I'm going to show you how to get that stunning HDR look for your videos using CapCut. If you've ever noticed those brilliantly vivid, punchy colors and crisp dynamic range on professional clips and wondered how to achieve that in your own edits, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add HDR effects with CapCut Pro, tune them to fit your vision, and export a video that seriously pops. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is import your video clip into CapCut. Open up the app, and either drag your footage onto the timeline or use the import option. This might seem basic, but starting with a sharp, high-quality original clip can make a big difference in your final HDR result. If you're working with footage that's a little flat or washed out, don't worry. The HDR effect will help, but try to start with the best source you can manage. Once your clip is in CapCut, head over to the Effects tab. You'll usually find this near the bottom of the workspace. Look for an icon that might say Effects, or a magic wand symbol. This is where the real transformation happens. In the Video Effect section, take a moment to browse around. CapCut Pro offers a selection of HDR effects, and this is what will give your video that dynamic pop. Specifically, look for names like HDR 4K Smart Sharpen, or simply HDR1, HDR2, and HDR3. Each of these brings a slightly different look. Some sharpen details, others push the contrast and color, creating that painterly, high-gloss appearance you've seen in trending videos. Select one of these HDR effects and apply it to your video clip. If you're unsure which to choose, try experimenting. Apply one, preview it, and see which matches the mood or style you're aiming for. For instance, HDR 4K Smart Sharpen is fantastic for landscape shots, bringing out texture in clouds or foliage, while HDR1 works wonders on portraits by highlighting facial features. Take your time here. CapCut lets you adjust on the fly, so you won't risk ruining your original video. On top of the main HDR effects, if you're feeling adventurous, dip into other HDR-like filters in CapCut Pro's library. Sometimes you'll find hidden gems under names like Vivid or Dynamic. These aren't strictly HDR, but they can give similar eye-catching results. Layering filters can boost the effect, but don't overdo it. Think of it like seasoning. A little goes a long way, and too much can overpower the scene. Once your effect is in place, it's time to adjust the intensity. This step is so important. It shapes whether your video looks tastefully enhanced or wildly unrealistic. Use the sliders that pop up to control strength, sharpness, and other parameters. My advice? Slide gradually and preview as you go. If you're not sure, try dialing it up high and then pulling back until it feels right. Everyone's taste is different, and especially with HDR, a gentle touch often looks most professional. When you're happy with how your video looks, the final step is export. Hit Export or Save in CapCut and choose your preferred resolution. HDR effects really shine when exported at higher qualities, like 1080p or 4K. So if your device can handle it, go for those settings. It may take a few moments to process, especially with high resolution and intense effects, but don't worry, this is normal. Once it's finished, you've got a beautifully enhanced video. Ready to share? And that's it. You've learned how to transform ordinary footage into something truly brilliant using CapCut Pro's HDR features. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, drop any questions in the comments. I love seeing your work and helping out. And consider subscribing for more real-world editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.